What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing European football sensation Kevin De Bruyne. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and we'll bring that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. So we start from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now along the top of the pupil, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to move to the center of our page and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start on the left. Curve this down, and then up. Now you want to move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move up and draw on the eyebrows. We start on the left side, bend this up, and come in. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then down towards the side. On the inside, draw a short line going up. I just want to taper the eyebrows so it gets narrower as you come down towards the side. From the bottom of the nose, let's step down, draw a straight line going across the mouth, from left to right. Add a bracket on the ends. And move back to the center, step down and add a small curve for the lower lip. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, curves down, round out the cheek and come in towards the chin, then just out and pull that up towards the right. Now from here we're going to draw the inside edge of the hairline. Let's start back on the left, go straight up, and just bend that in around the eyebrows. And from here, draw a straight angled line going up and out. Now we want to brush the hair over towards the left side. So start on the right, draw a short curve coming in, taper the back out. Let's add another point. We're going to go down and then out, and then back up. Let's brush this across, bring that down towards the left side. I'm just going to pull that up and in. Let's add a layer. Out across the side of the head and down, and pull that back up. Now let's go to the side of the head and draw on the ears. Let's start on the left. We'll go up, come around, just pull that in towards the side. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add those folds inside the ear. From the top left, step down, then this up and out. Let's go back to the inside and add a hook, going out and in. Now from the top of the ears, draw a straight line going up on the side of the head. And then on the right side, we're going to add some points, going out and up. Pull that back in toward the side. Just going to brush this over, going up and across, and then bring that back down. Just continue brushing the hair across towards the left. Pull that back in. Let's add another point. Going across, and then back in. Now let's go back to the left side. Add a point coming down, go up, and bend that in. Now just add some layers along the side. Going out and down, go up, across, and then in. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. And start over on the left side, underneath the head, then the body, going out and down towards the hip. Line this up over on the right, coming down towards the same height. and it'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go up to the top and add the collar. So we'll start on the left side and we'll draw a half circle, going down and up. And I want to trace this 2 more times along the top. Let's add the Nike symbol over on the top left, come down and angle that up, go back to the left, come down and trace this out. Now I'm going to add the number 17 in the center of the body. Let's start over on the left with a straight line, flatten out the bottom and top, trace the inside, and I'm going to leave a gap and draw on the 7. Going across, and then down towards the bottom, and then trace the outside. In the center of the body, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, then the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start from the left heel, bend this down and up on both sides. Now going back to the left, let's round out the foot. We're going to go up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and then we'll bend that back up on the inside. Now I'm going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the shorts. Let's start on the left. Angle this down and out, sort of aiming towards the front of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the shorts, coming down and then in. For the outside corner of the shorts, we're going to step in, angle the leg coming down and out on top of the feet. Now in between the shorts and the top of the foot, we're going to add one more curve to the edge of the socks. Now I'm going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet, so we want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Now from the outside of the foot, we're going to add the laces, coming in and down, bend that up and in toward the top of the foot. And we'll add a series of curves along this inside panel, starting from the bottom and working our way up. Let's add a smaller number 17 on the bottom right. So I'm just going to angle this, down, and again just repeating the same steps we did on top. And now going back up to the top, we'll draw on the arms, starting halfway down the side of the body, draw the inside edge of the arm, going out and down towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down towards the side, go out and bend that up, and we'll do that one more time. Go all the way around the arm and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now halfway along the inside of the arm, add the sleeve. We're going to bend this up and out. Let's line that up on the right. Let's add 2 more curves on either side, just up above the sleeve. So I'm just going to trace out that curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Kevin De Bruyne. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.